Okay, one and all, I have some industry news for you. Now, Smartbnb has been for many years a fantastic messaging resource for hosts all over the world. It was known as just being the Airbnb messaging system, but as you can see here, it has grown and expanded than just Airbnb. It now integrates with Booking.com and Vrbo, and because of this, they have now changed their name. So they used to be Smartbnb. They are now Hospitable. Took me a while to get my my vocab sorted on that one. But let me just give you a super quick rundown. Like I say, it's a company that I've been aware of for a long time. I've used it, clients have used it, recommended it, loved it, and I think that it's one that everybody should be paying attention to. Now, they are looking to expand. They, rightly or wrongly, get confused with a channel manager. They are not a channel manager. They are a smart tool that will help automate messages your guests, and it goes a lot more in depth than say a Hostfully or Hostaway or what Free to Book do. It has got some really sophisticated keyword setup. Now, what I love about this tool is that when done right and when done correctly, it will save hours in your day, because it helps with lots of different ways. So number one, it helps with the inquiry stage, which is really cool. So on an inquiry stage, say it's 1 o'clock in the morning, somebody sends you a message. If you don't respond, it will kick in for you, which is great. But it also helps from the post-booking pre-arrival stage with questions and answers, etc. And what I love now is because it's no longer just on Airbnb, it's in Booking.com and Vrbo, is it can help you on multi-platforms. This is one of the reasons why it gets confused with a channel manager, is because with the iCals and the APIs, it can link everything together. And so people do use it as a channel manager or light or a PMS light. Now, one thing that I am very intrigued, and from a personal point of view, from obviously from what we do at Boostly with website design, is that I know that they do have a mini website design service on the way, which is going to be very exciting. You can find out more by going to hospitable.com, by the way, hospitable.com. Like I said, you can do a 14-day free trial. This isn't a sponsored podcast. This isn't an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just, I really do love this. I love the team behind it. I think they're going places, and I'm really excited that we're going to have a couple of our website clients with the API, and what we're going to hopefully be able to do with the API is really sync into it and offer a really cool service moving forward. So if you haven't already, do go check out Hospitable. Again, if you're fed up of always messaging your guests, of having to feel like you're on all the time, or if you feel like you're spending a lot of money having to outsource this, then this could be a very, very, very cost-effective tool. As you can see here, it starts at €20 a month, £20 a month, whatever you want to call it, and it scales up there the more properties that you have. So if you've got 5 properties, £44 a month. If you get into the big boy levels of 10 properties, let's go to and plus. It's a fantastic return of investment in my opinion. So hospitable.com, do go check it out. Those of you that do use it, please leave your feedback below. I would love to know more about how you're using it, why you use it, and why you recommend it to others. So a bit of news, Smartbnb is now Hospitable. I'll be back tomorrow with another podcast. In the meantime, stay proactive, don't be reactive. Let's go get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.